Welcome back to Doomsday Prepper. Today's video is on what to do during a nuclear attack. Let's dive right into the critical steps you need to know to increase your chances of survival. Number 1. Understanding the threat. Nuclear bombs can be deployed in different ways, such as via a missile from an enemy country or even in the back of a van driven into a crowded area. The safety distance from the blast depends on factors like the size of the explosion and what's between you and the bomb. Number 2. Immediate actions during a blast. Within 1 mile of the blast, if a 10-kiloton nuclear bomb detonates, everything within a quarter mile will be vaporized. However, at 1 mile out, you have a chance to survive. If you see a bright flash, turn away immediately, close your eyes, lay down, and cover your head. The flash is brighter than the sun and emits a thermal pulse of 10 million degrees, which can cause temporary blindness and severe burns. Stay low to the ground, cover your head, and protect your skin from radiation burns. Keep your mouth open to prevent the shock wave from damaging your eardrums and lungs. The shock wave will feel like a freight train passing over you. Within 3 miles of the blast, the shock wave will take about 20 seconds to reach you. If you're driving, pull over and get low. After the shock wave passes, you have about 20 minutes before fallout starts. Fallout is radioactive material combined with debris from the explosion, forming a mushroom cloud. Use this critical time to find shelter. Common injuries include burns, cuts, broken bones, and head wounds. Quickly cover any open wounds to prevent radioactive material from entering your bloodstream. Prioritize finding shelter over helping others to ensure your own safety. Finding shelter and immediate first aid. Number 3. Responsibility. Remember, you are responsible for your survival. After the explosion, satellites will detect it, and the Pentagon and President will likely declare the highest state of alert. However, help may take time to arrive, and you could be on your own for at least 72 hours, sheltering and surviving the fallout. Number 4. Seek shelter. Watch for downed power lines, debris, unstable buildings, and fires as you move. Electronics within 3 miles may be wiped out by the electromagnetic pulse, EMP, caused by the blast. If you can escape the fallout, determine the wind direction and move perpendicular to it. A standard wood-framed house blocks only 30–60% of fallout, while a well-sealed basement blocks 90%. Seek dense concrete or metal buildings for better protection. Once inside, remove outer clothing and rinse exposed skin if possible. Fallout emits alpha, beta, and gamma rays. Alpha and beta rays are harmful if inhaled or on your skin, while gamma rays penetrate flesh and cause cellular damage. Stay in the center or basement of the building, or go to higher floors if there is no basement. Avoid the top floors where radiation settles on the roof. Seal air gaps with plastic, tape, newspaper, or clothing. Number 5. Radiation sickness and long-term safety. Prolonged radiation exposure can cause radiation sickness or death. Symptoms include nausea, vomiting, and swelling from damaged blood vessels. Fallout loses 90% of its potency after 3 days, so be prepared to shelter for at least that long. Ensure you have enough food and water. An emergency radio can help you stay informed about rescue operations and when it is safe to go outside. When leaving your shelter, cover your skin and wear a mask to avoid inhaling radioactive particles. Number 6. Iodine pills. Potassium iodide pills can protect your thyroid gland from absorbing radioactive iodine released during a nuclear blast. These pills flood the thyroid with non-radioactive iodine, preventing the uptake of harmful radioactive iodine. Take these pills as soon as possible after the blast to protect your thyroid. By following these steps and preparing accordingly, you can significantly increase your chances of surviving a nuclear attack. Stay informed, stay prepared, and stay safe. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more survival tips.